Oh, me? What's it with me? Here. What are you doing? You're not making a movie or something? What is this?
I have the luxury part of holding the camera.
Yeah, you can.
You do the work.
I see so. Best. I'm here for stuff work. Yeah. You're not waiting for something to drop off? To make a round through the building if you want to do some sightseeing.
Yeah.
Well, look here. Here's where she goes. Mrs. Anupam Sloan Fellow 2010. Her moving in date today. Where's our door? Do you have the